Hi everyone, Daniele from K-Array here. Welcome to the complete training dedicated to the installation of K-Array sound systems. During this training, we will see how to mount the speakers in the room, what kind of accessories you need, what kind of connectors, what kind of cables, how you can perfectly wire the entire installation, what kind of impedance value you should set on the speakers, how many speakers you can drive per amplifier channel, how you can set up our amplifiers to perfection thanks to our software like the K-Framework, the Azimut Control Interface, and much more. So it's a complete training, and the goal of this training is that at the end you feel confident and ready to install a K-Array system to perfection. The training is pretty long, but don't worry. You can watch the entire video course comfortably at home or in your office whenever you want, because the full recording of this training is available on our website www.k-array.com in the K Academy area. If something is not clear, if you have a doubt, take note of your questions, because you'll have the opportunity to ask all your questions later. Now the question is, how can you get certified? Well, after you have watched the entire video course and you feel that you have a clear understanding of all the topics discussed in the training, you can register to one of our virtual classrooms. You find the next available dates on the K Academy website in the calendar page. So you can register, and a virtual classroom is a webinar session where my colleagues and I will be at your disposal, first of all, to answer all your questions. So again, if something was not clear in the video course, that's the moment to ask your questions. Then, in the same session, we will share with the attendees all the latest news about K-Array, if there is a new software update, if there is a new product coming, some unique case studies that we want to share with the attendees. And then, at the end of this 1 hour and a half session, we will share with the attendees a link to an online quiz. You will be invited to take this quiz comfortably from your computer, and in this quiz you will find some questions related to the topics discussed during the training. If you take the quiz and you get a passing grade, you will get certified, and after a few days you will receive your own official certificate. So, to recap, getting certified is extremely easy. You watch the entire video course available on our website, then you register to one of our virtual classrooms, and during this webinar session you'll have the opportunity to take the final quiz and get certified. So, I hope you enjoy the training. Thanks for watching, and see you online during one of our virtual classrooms.